Probably a bit too dark for this, but now I like the bass wave that we added, the green track, because it sounds like a industrial, like siren or warning sound. Of course, this needs like a volume tuning for sure. So we're gonna jump into beatbox and make music for the Usagi Jam. Let's continue making music. File, import song, cheese beep boop edit. And so, as you can see, you cannot see it. Yeah, down in the corner, now beatbox doesn't show the additional bars, and if you just open beatbox, I have like a lot of bars here. And I'm like, what is this? Why can I not add more? And what you need to do is up here, you go to edit, and there will be a drop down which is change song length, and now you can add the bars to your song. Let's go to 8. NVIDIA does have Linux drivers, yeah, and they suck. They suck balls. My NVIDIA card should not lag on a multi-monitor setup with 2 YouTube videos running. What the fuck? I have a 1660 Ti. That should not lag just from that. They are better than Nuvo. Oh, the company made better software for their own proprietary tool than around the open source group. Oh. Like, the fact that it is still so bad is criminal. But it is not worth doing it because Linux is a much smaller user group than Windows. Goo gaga. Fuck you. Fuck you, NVIDIA. Fuck you. It's like such a strawman argument. I always hate, not strawman, but like, such a stupid argument. If you're not catering to a user group, of course a user group is not using your tool. Oh no, I made this very good griller and smoker, why are vegans not buying it? Like, oh. So I talked with a friend about music. He's actually a musician, you know, and he's like, what is it actually called? Oh, Aaron, I forgot. It's like, music audio engineer, I think it is called. So like recording, mixing, editing, all that kind of stuff. Like he has that kind of knowledge and learned it. Producer, I guess maybe producer. It might be a bit different. I don't know. I have to ask him if, like, but technically yes. Like he's the one who records and mixes and edits and such. Not just that, but he went on a course for like quite a long while to learn it. But he was also a musician even before. So, and I'm like, hey, can you give some feedback? And he yapped for like 5 minutes, and I tried to understand most of it. One of it is that not sure how loud is this compared to. Okay, it is much louder, but still. Let's stop it. So like the kick sound, which is the beat, I guess you would call it, like this first beat. Like not this upper beat, like not that, like the little Tatum bullshit you hit on the top of the drums. Is not kicky enough. It sounds more of like a tin getting hit. I don't know what it is called on drums. Cylinder? I don't know. I have no music knowledge basically. Like, it doesn't sound kicky enough. Problem with that. Snare. Yeah, that is the one. It doesn't. It sounds like just a deeper snare. A problem. This is the only chip under preset. Why is there a helicopter novelty preset? Oh, what is this? Oh, just like a weird metal pipe, taiko drum. Wow. So like this is the only cheap sound. Porcopter, porcopter. Problem is, I know that you can like customize stuff up here, but like, I think what I did and have the bit is this calls it low pass, but I feel like this is the high pass here. If you are, I mean, this is calling it low pass. It's weird. I thought it is like mostly filters show like low frequency here and high frequency here. But if I move this a bit over to here, and I think it was a little bit lower as well. It's like somewhere here. It has like a more pumpy sound. Thing is, it is still the same instrument, so like. But I hope you guys can hear the difference between. It's like very crunchy. Now it is like more muted, I guess. Problem is, the snare is also. There are some noises here, but effects, beat crusher. Oh. Like, I'm just not good with this stuff. I'm just gonna move this here. I feel like that helped a lot with it being more like a thumpy sound. And the snare is still somewhere there. What I still want to do is like do one. I mean, this needs like two more than I guess I did. Change song like 10 bars. Because what I want to do is repeat this verse part. Then do like one more. I guess then 8 is enough, right? Change song like. And then like do another variation. I was talking about. Oh yeah, and the other one is melody stuff, which I did not understand, and one more was to try and create a sound which is basically a longer kind of note in the background, giving some body to the whole thing. At least that is how I understood it, and it was late night, 11 p.m. talking about music. So like a chord, not fully, but I guess you can call it so. It's like a multi-beat long sound that is not fully following the melody. It's just there to give some background body to the melody. Because to my understanding, a chord is basically a multi-note sound held at the same, for like from the start of the beat to the end of the beat. Because this is one beat, a column. So like a chord would be like this is a random chord. And from our talk, what he meant is to have something along the line of just, I don't know, empty note somewhere. Not empty notes, but like a longer lasting note to like give more. I think I cannot say it better than like a body. Like you I'm probably it is hearable even on stream. So like listen to, I guess click this onto. So like listen to how quote unquote surface level this first bar is compared to the second. Like the melody is irrelevant for now. I just want to showcase what I think I understand what he meant. Like how much, not depth, but I don't know music. I cannot explain this better than a body. Like oomph, a little bit more presence to the whole thing. So the problem with that one is now I have to like come up with another. I'm calling them melodies, but they're not a melody. The melody is what is leading the whole song. It is over a bass beat. Like, I have no music knowledge. Did I ever tell you guys, like, to me, like a drone note? I guess, yeah. That is a good term for it. Yeah. Like, just listen to the difference between how it's not like it is so much. I repeated myself too many times with like body and depth and oomph. But less some kind of droney. Oh, I edit. I have to get used to this. I always do this. It's like you're editing like these numbers. If I edit this 2 here, then every other 2 is also edited. So this is also a 2, kind of weird. I kind of hate this instrument though. Yeah, it's weird. Problem is it not much. I mean, this has all the instruments as well, so I feel like all of these gonna have the same vibe, because that is how I have to look more into beatbox, because each layer has like a different role, I guess. And this is like very very I don't like that. Unison hum, wave, triangle wave. Oh, my ears! I'm sorry. Oh my god. Go to double saw. Why are you? I guess because of the double saw is why you are doing this. I don't know. Double saw chip wave. That did not really help. Music. Why are you this beatbox third track? We're gonna learn beatbox today, I guess. Most rows can play melodies or harmonies, but the bottom row is for drums. Official version. Oh, there is a download version for beatbox? Beatbox online, offline, HTML. Okay, I guess I could have seen that coming. I was like, wait, there is an app? Oh, it's an HTML as well. Why is this line sounding? different, and the problem is that big box, what box? No, is it like a big box? Doku. It's like a, that's a wiki. There's a shortcut document. I always looked at shortcuts. Is that like a menu? Keybinds? No. Channels, bars, hold on. Oh, this is like literally the beginning of beginning, okay. Like channel muting. Do I have to go to fandom? Yeah. I need to modify it at some point. I tried the filters, like being a hard shell filter, but on white pages it still does like a weird rainbowy slash bleed over effect. I don't like. On like some other videos it was almost like flickering, which drew me mad, but Jesus fucking Christ, how you guys did come up with like a new text every day? Fuck off. Jesus. I haven't even looked at the text. I just banned them because just read best viewers and I'm like, fuck you. I don't understand why this track is different from these. C scale easy. Scale easy. You type the, I guess, best viewers maybe. Not sure. One of you got had back because of like smart decision. I have some keywords. So yeah, interesting why that was in that. Oh, remove the space. Pretty sure that is the one. Oh wait, this is like smart detection. Oh no, moderation pattern. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's interesting how you got caught up on it. But I think the remove the space text is what you got caught up. Not sure if they had that text in theirs. I'm pretty sure that is in my filters. Why is this now so weird? Also had removed the space. Not sure. Twitch. I cannot say more than that. Twitch being Twitch. I don't like this lead, and I don't understand how to make it better. This is why I don't do music most of the time. Why are you doing this? Why are you brewing? Don't want you brewing. Level 3 flower, let's go. What is this envelope? So I want to keep it retro, that is the thing. So then, can I copy instrument? Paste instrument? Like, why is this so different? I don't understand this show. I don't understand this channel, and it is driving me mad. Hold on, with the... If I move this... Trying to... detune... I just don't like this, is the thing. Can I add one more? Channel settings, hold on. Each channel, drum channel, available button per channel, simultaneous instrument per channel, different is. If I add one more, each channel. Yeah, this doesn't do the... Right? Yeah. Why? Does it? Hold on. I mean, it does, but doesn't it harshly? Hmm. Or I'm just tripping balls. One of the two. So... Copy instrument. Paste. Not here. Paste. I guess it should be up, down, up, up, maybe? Up, up. Hmm. 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 Distortion, violin, vocal preset, reed, flute, drums, bird tweet. That indeed was a basso. They were not kidding. Yeah, this just sounds different though. Hmm. I mean, I reckon I'm back to this one. Supersaw dynamism. Supersaw is a combination of many sawtooth waves. This setting contains a contribution of extra sawtooth waves at the low end of the slider. Only the first wave is contributing to the sound. The sound is like an ordinary static sawtooth wave. At the maximum setting, all of the waves are getting equally, and the resulting tone can randomly shift depending on how the waves line up with each other, similar to the unison or chorus settings. Ha! Unison. This instrument can play two identical waves at different frequencies. When two waves play at slightly different frequencies, they move in and out of phase with each other over the time, and different parts of the waves line up. This creates dynamic shifting sounds. Pianos are common examples of this kind of sounds. I don't understand what you mean. Okay, question. What happens if I don't do anything with these and I'm just having like, oh, I cannot. Why? I guess you cannot have different lagging notes, is the thing. Damn it. Oh, I forgot about you. Shut up. There you go. So this is weird because what I did here in like these is that I kind of followed the wave of the already existing song. Like you see this goes high like here, then goes a bit high. I mean, I guess I went lower here. But like then it climbs again. And like same here, it climbs, then declines. But this does, I guess it goes down in this beat. Stays here, then goes up. Why are you in 5 already? Go back to 3. Oh, that's what I did, okay. Then we go back to 1, we go back to 1. What happens if I turn this off after like... Oh yeah, move the loop. Oops. I need to lower the volume of the drum kit. Now turn this on and this off. Hold on. Let's do it at the normal one. 1, 2, 3, 3. And we need to do some different drum patterns as well. 2, 3. I need to lower the drum though. Off. Can I control Z this? Okay. 4. Oh, this comes so offbeat. It is so weird, but I like it. I guess last note. And to 3 here. Honestly, now I want to expand this whole thing and do this empty pattern as well again. Like start with this empty pattern, then go to both being on verse, both, then empty, and then verse. It's not bad. It's not bad. Thank you. I'm also kind of enjoying it. Honestly, give me even more. And then Usagi can cry if this is too much. I'm not sure how this is gonna work. Let's move everything over by 2, 3, 3, 2, nothing, 4. Need different drum teams as well at some point. So you are nothing. You are 1. And you are 4. 1. Oh. 1, 1. You are 3, 3, down to 3. 2, 2, 2. So then this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And now we play again the nothing, nothing. 4, 4. I know, let's go 1, 1 here. So then you're getting another mix-up. I need to tune the square wave down a bit. How about if we don't play this here? Is that weird? Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, I need to tune this a bit. It is too rough. Also, did you say something? Oké. El van, csak be volt dugva mindkét füle most. Nem hallottam kurvára semmit. How can I make you a little bit more smooth? Kurva mentioned. Maybe I need to change the wave, but what did you say, lol? I was just asking Dai if she said something because my ears are plugged and I could not hear a fucking thing. Basically, one-to-one translated. This is very hard. I don't like that. This is the same thing. So staying at the square, what if we try to put some kind of effect on it? Or strum? Nope. So get rid of the effect. Detune? No. This version does nothing to my ears. I'm not sure what is happening there. Other than muting the sound. Maybe I just lower the volume of this so it is really just in the background. Maybe just the long drawn sound that I don't like, honestly. Problem is that is the whole point of this. Honestly, I like it more this way. It's like not a constant sound, except in the chorus. Just like a beat as well itself. Constant. Just to smite people, put this here. I'm not sure why I like this delayed beat here. It's just so fun to me. Wait, isn't this one of the things Luchak? I think it is Luchak, right? In the Pico View magazine, where you delay. Oh no, that's like a pair of beats, but the second beat. So like 2 bars. Each bar consists of 2 beats in like one half and the other half. And like in the second bar, you put the second beat a few time beats later. I'm not sure what is like the proper term there. Like you delay it a bit. I think he talked about this in Pico 8, in like one of the Pico View magazines. Um File export song. Cheese second. No outro, loop count of 1 because we can loop it inside Usagi. Can you save this file? Thank you. Fletch. There. Oh, optional also. Oh, Fletch brought up a few name ideas. From this. Fletch. Added some depth to it and a few more. Or is any concerns? One change or feeling? Oop. Map, 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 map. Save. Export song JSON. Cheese second JSON. I don't need an outro export, just so I can import this if my Mozilla crashes. I guess you can reload it, preload it, back, not preload it, reload it from the history because it is stored in the URL. Oh, is it raining? I smell rain. Ooh, really? I was saying there is like thunder somewhere. I just smell the rain. It is so good. I like the smell of rain. I guess not the rain, but like the environment getting rained on. But um, so ba-ba-ba-bum. Send it to friend, but he's probably busy because of kid. Because of kiddo. The smell of rain is such a nice smell. Yeah. Oh, I need a stretch. I've been goblining in this chair for like 2.5 hours. Who? You know, the guy who made the intro music I play from time to time. My friend. Before you close your mind. Yeah, there you go. Should exist now. Fireball. Okay. Commands. Oh yeah, this doesn't exist yet. So before you close your mind. This is the one I talked about. Giving some feedback. Discography. There you go. Who I drew a cover as well. Chat. Select. Add. Oh, there you go. This is the cover I made for them. I need to work on another one as well. I started it, but never finished it. But he also slowed down release a little bit. Sounds amazing. No concerts here. You sound amazing. You see what else I can do then from the probably not gonna tinker much with this or not to ruin. Guess I could make another one. MD creative used to do so. I mean, I just made this song and I never really played the game while it is playing, so it's probably a bit too dark for this, but now I like the bass wave that we added, the green track, because it sounds like a industrial, like siren or warning sound. Of course, this needs like a volume tuning for sure. Hold on, Fletch also has like SFX in already. You know what we could need? I'm not sure if Fletch is working on this. I have to ask him. Oh, come on. A lounge sound when you're like yeeting the cheese. Ways to go is a text when you're subpar, yes. Oh. Can I not hit this level? It should be there somewhere. More or less for sure. I missed the mice. I missed that one. Yeah, we got text when you're matching or below the par that we set, and we have text for when you are over it. I wouldn't say like fail, because that is why I do not want to have fail cases technically, because I feel like fail case could be negative player experience for those who might feel like they are outskilled by the game. So if you make a hard level, I don't want you to say, dang it, I cannot beat this, because we set like a 5-shot limit, for example, and you would have to figure out the exact 5 or less shot sequence that we figured out. What I want to be able to do, and this is how I think pitch this idea to Fletch, is I can say that, hey, this map can be done in 3 or like 1, and you made it in 2. Do you maybe want to go back and retry it and see if you can make it in 2? Which is like I don't feel like it is a harsh enough quote-unquote fail case. It is like a soft fail. Because you cleared the level, you clearly made it and fed every cheese. There you go, you did it. Like, I would just tell you that, hey, maybe you can go lower if you want. And you're free to go like, no, I'm fine. I did it. I don't care. Here this level part is 2, by the way. This is just default free. But this is why I pitched it this way, to be like, even the fail case is like somewhat of a positive fail case, because it encourages the player of, hey, you did it, but I feel like you can do it in better. You learn something. It's like, I'm not sure. You don't have like the, I cannot beat this level experience. The worst you can have is, oh, I cannot beat this level in 2, but I did in 3. So that is my idea behind the like level par and such system. Tentatively. I will try to brainstorm few ideas as well. It's just what to do so while. So anyway, big box. I need to look. A friend said that there is like another similar to this. I just have to get the title out of him somewhat because he forgot. Are there like more levels or Fletch branch, or are these all? So far I think it is all. I think the branch, the latest branch is only like I think it is only about the portal system and like fixing stuff. They don't have yet. I don't think he pushed it at all so far, because we changed how big the scene is. So like back then it was this big, you see, like this is kind of small. And now, well, not now, you could technically see it on the Fletcher stream, but it is now this big. There's a huge difference. It's like, hold on. Big Usagi. Like, there is a huge difference between the two. I think I saw it on Usagi Jam. Oh yeah, I posted that as well. Yeah. Like, more levels, not yet. The bigger levels, yes. Like, level making is, I feel like, gonna be... I'm gonna do it today in the afternoon later. And I saw Fletch also was design level, so it's probably gonna be like me doing some, sending it up, and then Fletch doing some and fetching it. I don't know. It's gonna be a tad weird too. But yeah, rebasing will be a pain. I'm not sure how LDTK is gonna handle merging if you're working on like simultaneously on levels. It might be the case of me having to work on levels when Fletch is not working on them, so like I guess early morning for me. No, but hold on, I have to talk about this with Fletch. I just realized of make levels that might be match resolution. Might need to do. Might need to toggle auto level names and use like a name slash 23. Because I'm not sure like how that would even come up like conflicts, because it would show changes in the same file. I haven't tried that, yo. If you can say to GitHub that, hey, don't try to merge this into this file, create a new file with like XY name. It might be possible you can do that. Git merge conflict, create new file. Not sure if this is a thing. Just what I wanted. Let's go. Blah blah blah. Creating a merge config. How to identify. Blah blah blah. Yeah, merge. I mean, this did not really help, honestly. VLC. Yeah, this is talking about cherry picking before that. I mean, this is somewhat different, but new file with upstream. Advanced merging. To me, it feels like a bit of a weird thing that to not have this. Bless you there. Might even made it into the mic, I'm not sure. Oh, you can extract a copy of each of the versions of the conflicted file with the git show command and the special syntax. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. Hold on. This is what I'm exactly looking for, to like create stuff, create a new file based on the versioning. It's like not optimal, of course, but probably would be easier to untick the... What I sent to Fletch is untick the auto naming in LDTK when you're making a new level, and like you can prefix with Itchio slash or Fletch slash like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we can come back later and order the levels by hand. If we can talk over which level we want where. Oh. So yeah, hold on. Let's come back to this. No. Empty mocho mug. No. Oh, the misery. Git stores all these versions in the index under stages, with each have number associated when stage 1 is the common ancestor, stage 2 is your version, and stage 3 is from the merge head version fudging in theirs. You can copy each of these versions into a conflicted file with git show colon. Oh god, Ruby. Yeah, Ruby is something. I was once pushed onto a Ruby project without any Ruby knowledge, and I was working on Ruby backend code with another developer who also did not know Ruby. So it was fun. And the crazy man on rails. It was something else. I remember that our syntax looked like poo-poo, cheek ass. Because we were like trying to dig up variables from like deep, from like I don't know what Ruby calls them, like but objects or tables. Oh, I did not even notice that the portals disappear for a bit when they are used. Fletch is cooking with the code, I'm telling you. If you want to get a little more hardcore, you can also use the ls files -u plumbing command. Get the actual action. Git blobs. Because then we can just rename one of them to like another file name. MVC is more like my fucking GB post. Don't you love programming? Problem is, I'm starting to get a headache. It's not great when you are having to finish a jam game. Big box, you know what we could do? I can just art. That doesn't use much brain power, I guess. We're gonna go back to Ace Pride. And I need to grab... save changes. I need to grab... Yeah, but Flash is the rep owner, so he can deal with conflicts. Oh my god. Imagine standing up a branch with all... I mean, I guess I did that once. That was a merge problem one of the nights. And it was late night and I was like, I cannot figure this stuff out. I'm too tired for it. So just shoot it up and I was like, there is some merge conflict here if you want to look into it, or I can do tomorrow. The Flash like solved it like in like 2 minutes. So been there, done that, but I usually don't like to do that. The problem is I don't know where I'm storing these kind of files. Is it in the recent ones? Draftwork, no. Oh, I guess I can pull in Pawn Protect. The file from Pawn Protect. Usagi Pawn Protect. Each assets. Let's just BG export. Favicon, thumbnail, each. Yes. What? No. No, I never beta shows them myself. So Daya. No. Yeah, who the fuck would know this? So Daya brought us some vitamin C because we ran out. No, stop it. And I was like hearing like, oh no, from the background. I'm like, what? And she's holding the vitamin C in her hand. And apparently, this vitamin C has soybeans. Soybean oil? Yeah, soybean oil in it. Why? Problem is, I cannot have this. I'm allergic to soy. What the fuck? No.
Én csak megnéztem, ja. Nem jutott eszembe, nem gond.
Nincs semmi baj. A fasz gondolná. And now she's like sad, like because she brought it, and I'm like, I wouldn't look at it. I would just grab a vitamin C as well from the shelf.
I guess még direkt megnéztem magnéz.
Yeah, fish oil is vitamin D, yeah.
Hát ha van.
This is just vitamin C.
Ráadásul ez egy nagy már.
Why the fuck does this have soybean oil? What? Oh, whatever. I guess you have vitamin C for a long while. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy some in Aldi or Lidl or whatever. No, I'm not mad, I'm telling you. Én is olyan levettem volna arra a kúraportról.
Még a magnéziumot meg benne. Orda. A faszom olyat rakjanak.
It's not a soft one, it's a hard pill, right? Yeah. I have like no clue. Like, I guess it's like a binding agent, but like, fuck your binding agent then. Stupid company. Like, why? Oh, now the rain is coming down. I'm just searching for a file. Oh, hold on, everyone. Oh, it's one layer up, right? Yeah, it should be somewhere here. Export. I'm like so mad now. Why would you put soybean in vitamin C? Jesus. There we go. Roll improves shelf life. I'm pretty sure this is just a binder. It's a binding agent. So this over here is how my night crawl. I guess this has, like you can see. So I have a template file which is basically the resolution, or like not the resolution, but like a ratio you need for each background, so that the page is in the middle here, like not in the middle here, but like in here. If I show you guys daily doku, for example, because I'm pretty sure this is daily dokus. You see? There we go. And if you go to Nightcrawl, you can see the same enemies here. So this is how I do this. I have like a template, and most of my recent games, at most, like I'm pretty sure all of them, basically use this. Oh, now this is a different blue? What? I guess each said that they changed some CSS. I guess it was not a full one-to-one change. Like for example, daily versus also. I like this. It's like a simple style that brings the game to life, like a game page to life. Oh yeah. Why do I have a ping? Chronicle. Ooh, there is some He's Coming update. Ooh, okay. So yeah, this is what we're gonna work on for this game. And I can close this one and this one. I guess let's just save as Usagi assets, BG. Make a, which layer is this? This one, I guess. And clean this up. I need my spreadsheet. That is now very angry. Oh. Foot bullet. What? Eh? Just there. It's a bit trickier to tell because this should be 16 by 16, I guess. Oh. Angie. The soy bullshit. Yeah. Fuck him. Oh, I szedd belet. So I can move it to here. I need to export this higher, because then they're gonna be really big. So I'll delete this. Control Ash, a sprite. Sprite size. What's sprite size? I guess sprite size, yes. Sprite size 2. There we go. Let's grab a cheese. So leave the even 4 spaces. So 2, 4. Cheese here. I guess we can put on a something like that. So leave the. There they go. 2, 4. Yeah. Hmm? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. I guess just a cheese ball. Oh, indeed. Well, that's a fix for later. Thank you. Not fixing it now because Fletch is working with the sprite sheet. Fixed later, yeah. Give a barrel as well, might as well, why not? So that's 2, 4. 2, 4. There we go. Yeah. That is why I don't want to mess with it now. Oh. Oh. Oh, I need to fix this as well. It should be full. I mean, technically there is a background layer behind these, so doesn't fully matter. Also, just copy this. I usually don't give much thought to these. I just represent stuff from the game. And the most thought I gave it is, I think in one games, enemies are on the one side and player-related stuff is on the other. I think that is the most I have done. There's like a random... It might be me, by the way. A random dot. Three, 2, 4 down here. Wait. Spikes. Give me more cheese. Let this be a different kind of cheese though. Like an L cheese. There you go. There is no such tile in the game, but we don't worry about it. Oh yeah, I should move you. Wait, somewhere else. Just so it is symmetrical. I don't want it not symmetrical. Let me grab a red barrel. Let's it to... here. Then I can have a 32 by 32. There. So swap these two. And give me another cheese. It's here, right? Yep. What I also want to do is would be nice to like make a background on like the edges. Like these tiles. Not sure how much of this is gonna be actually visible. We're gonna try that in a moment. Shift H. Oops, yeah, I messed up. Okay. Um Még beszóratsz valami noise hangot a kick és a snare közé, akkor nem akarod Istenőt ütemed, de szerintem elég jó már. Szép munka! Oh, my audio friend said nice work to my song. What the hell? Helga! That's a win in my book. I haven't done any level design yet. Wanted to work on each page, I don't mind if you create it. I mean, if Fletch doesn't mind. Itch. I said itch. Upload new project. I need a sprite for this. I will misspell it otherwise. Rico Cheddar. Even view page. There we go, empty page. And now I have to remember which size do I need to export this background to. I always forget. 2400 is what I have here. What is that? 2400 divided by 640? 3 point? What? Oh no, 480. Is it 5? Yeah, 5. So, we have this image. What we do is file, export as 5x. We're gonna do x5. Yes. I come back here. This was faster to me. And we go edit theme, background, upload. Set the G5X. Save. So we do have mice on the screen. We need to fetch the color of the rocks though, which is 665. I cannot remember. This is too many letters. PG. Boop. Save. Look, we have mice. The usual background bullshit. Look at that shit. Like, how easy was it? And then we can also just do the same here. Yeah. And like, I think it scratches to this size for like until you go like small mobile inspect, mobile view. Like, this is the one problem when you go so small, it just says nope. Well, it's just statically there, I guess. And if my page is too big, it oh, interesting. I did not know it does this. So if you are watching this on like a super wide monitor, it will just like tile the image. Huh. Okay. Let's go have some fun with this. Oh yeah, oops. Like this is how easily you can make background stuff. And for example, now we are here. What we can also do is copy this, copy C, file new, paste it in here. Sprite size. We can maybe even 3x this. File, export, export as. Not there, but here. Header. We can come back to here. And in the banner slot. Boom. I need to make it bigger so it has like some spacing. Like this is how easily you can make, like most people we have some kind of title screen in their game. Just grab your title from there and size it up and upload it. Like, let's come back here. We're gonna have some fun even. Hold on. Camera size. 128. No, let's go for 240. Place this in the middle, and what we can do is yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Oh, that is yo so small. So I might need to do this in like 2 steps. Like hold on. Grab the title again. New. Okay. There's the title. A sprite, not camera size, sprite. Sprite size. Double it. This chunky. Now we do 128. And now the mice should be small, but not as small as before. Wait, I need the mice with the hand. What is it? This one. Also, I should just grab this, but do you fit in here? What? Oh, it is on a different layer of bicycles. Nonetheless, which layer are you on? Oopsie, not the whole layer, please. What's this? Give me the cheese. Give me this cheese. Ah, that's on the logo layer. I copied the whole logo layer. Load palette. Nope. Somewhat recreate the label art. This needs to be like here. Yeah, give me a drill mice because I love the drill mice. They look shocky. And give me a cheese block. Right, canvas. Look how much better this is. I guess I should outline this cheese as well, because now it is a bit weird that everyone has an outline, but this doesn't. Like how much more fun this title card is. I guess I should maybe outline this as well then. So shift O. Shift O. Oopsies. And I need to close my window. The wind picked up quite well. Save as set one file, export as export. Might need to remove this. Yeah, I need to export this a bit bigger. Export 2x. There we go. Look at it. How much fun that upper title part is. At least I think it is. Guess I should clean these two maybe. Like put this mice down here and have some room for the title to breed. So what we're gonna do is get rid of this chef. We're gonna move you, remove you, and move you to here. Now we go back to the page. Edit team, remove the background. Upload the background. So now it has room to its own. Even better. Let's send this one. Once I finish it, I will send it. So let's play around with the rocks here, right? Yet again, I would love to have some transparency. How is the time? Almost 5. Wow. Can I get a secret URL, please? For what? There is nothing there. There's like literally no reason for you to have it. For later. The next time you will need it, it will be published, don't worry. It doesn't depend just on me. I will ask Fletch. It's not only my project. Rock there. Let's put the cheese block somewhere here. Have this whole thing. Put it into here. I do not see the grid. Oh fuck, this is on a half grid. Wait, what? How? Oh no, the big block is on a half grid. Oh damn it. This one was on half grid. Need to be here. Oh. This. Paste it. Copy this corner. Go up here. I guess no. That is the wrong connection. Somewhat the wrong connection. Okay. No connection I want. And there should be no load there. Do you think people will notice? Hold on. I'm gonna tell you in a moment. But probably they won't. I'll say it does not fully matter here. I think people will notice if I copy this. I remove this. Copy this again, copy V. Shift A, Shift V. And like move it a bit, and like add stuff to it. Oh, the shading is different. Oh, I guess people will notice it. I'm yet again on half tile somehow. How? How is that a thing? Wait, I'm only 3 away from the mouse. Oh, that is how. There we go. I'm like, how can I be off-grid on readily pasted stuff? It's not how it works. Give me a cheese block in the middle of it. I'll build a new cheese empire somewhere down there. What is happening here? Me misplacing tiles is what is happening here. I guess I should do these lines just so it doesn't look stupid on like stupidly big monitors. Like not fully needed because I never do it with other stuff. That said, for other games I usually don't even have such a detailed background stuff. Usually it is just the line of sprites, but I was having fun with this, so We're gonna do it for this one. Fine, export, 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 export. Yes, 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 yes. Edit team. Remove. Upload. Yep. Yep. I did an auto saves and a continue game button to the main menu and this end of game screen. Ooh. Yeah. They can always push the stuff. Okay, we're gonna take a break here. I'm just gonna relax a bit, have dinner, right? Yes, dinner. I will either come up online or they will do some offline work. I probably come online tomorrow one more time, like a few more levels. You know, even did it's 5 p.m. Yeah, I haven't yet. That is so early. Like we usually eat between like 6, 7. Haha, lol. Ooh. Isn't that lunch? What you're talking about? I assume you don't eat dinner at 2 p.m. You're mixing lunch and dinner, I assume. You mean dinner at 2 p.m.? I mean, and you are not having like afternoon snackies or like an actual meal at the end of the day? Just eat at 2 p.m. and that's all. I eat supper. Dinner is the end of the day meal. This is why I'm telling you, like, you're mixing the two. Like, you can do either dinner or supper, but the midday one is lunch. But yeah. I'm not even sure what I'm eating yet. I will have to figure that one out. But thanks for everyone who tuned in. We made a lot of visual progress. We have now a game page, we have a label art, we have game music. And yeah, I probably won't come online today. I will try to maybe look into making a few games. We'll have to see how this weather is burning my mind. And yeah, see you tomorrow because we're gonna do some stream tomorrow. Hát sure, man. I have to see about it.